Hi, this is Sam Guan with Siemens PLM Software. In today's NX Quick Tip, I'd like to share with you some exciting functions inside of NX 2D synchronous modeling. What I have a particular sketch model that's been given to me from a fellow engineer. I've been tasked to make some design change late in the engineering workflow. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and just start making my design change. Go ahead and change that to a different size, and I notice that all the parameters, all the dimension information has been updated properly. I want to go ahead and take a look at the other one. I want to go ahead and change that value, and I notice that as I increase the horizontal length, not all the geometries update properly, which tells me that many of these geometry were not properly constrained. So therefore my design has failed. Let's take a look at another one. This time I want to make the design change of the vertical dimension. I want to go ahead and increase that to a certain amount of value, and I get a over-constraint conditions. Over-constraint conditions tells me that many of these overlay constraints that has effect on one to the other. Now what I have to do is painfully go in there and find out which one is causing the failure. And then using the synchronous modeling will resolve this problem for me. So I want to go ahead and undo some of those changes. I want to go ahead and use a synchronous command. Go ahead and make the horizontal move. And I noticed that it picked up a symmetric information. I want to go ahead and make that change in the horizontal information, horizontal distance. And I update that, and I see that it's updated properly. And at the same time, it maintained both geometrically and dimensionally constrained. Likewise, I want to make a design change vertically, make that value input, and I see that all the information is updated properly, and it still maintain both geometric and dimensionally constraints. What I want to do is last one is to move the keyhole slot that is in the middle of this layout. I want to go ahead and use the move command again, and then just select the geometry that I want to make the change. Make sure I grab onto the center axis of my rotation and just quickly make my design change. So once that is done, I notice that the Synchronous 2D also maintain the geometric and dimensional constraint. It still have that information properly displayed. By using Synchronous 2D, it gives me the ability to make a design change and maintain all the association both geometrically and dimensionally inside of a sketch task environment. Thank you.